how to use Descript so you can create your TikTok and Reel style format all within the app within a few minutes. Let's jump in and see how it's done. We have already cleaned up the audio. We've removed our filler words. So now we want to make it a bit TikTok style and have our captions on here.
Protection, protection, protection.
All right, you're going to hit the T text icon. You're going to hit captions. We have our menu over here. If you want to have a background on your text, you will see it over here. I'm just going to enlarge the size of the text. Let's just make it 150. Okay, then we go grab one of the brand colors. I'm going to grab like a stony color, copy that, and let's paste that here. And then I'm going to have a look at the captions. If we come down here to captions, you hit the filter icon. You can have options of how you want it to work. It could be karaoke, classic, clean. And what I really like to do on the captions is the active word. And then it's the background. We have our fill color already done. And then the background, I'm going to go grab the background color. And then we're going to paste it here. And then we want to have a look at the type of words. Like you, again here, like you can do the future words. What if I do this? Let's go back and see how it looks.
Protection, protection, protection.
Perfect. Then I just need to make sure our words correct. Is our spelling good? You just need to take a moment to run through your script. Okay, just cleaning up the double word here. And then we are good
Protection,
to...
protection, protection. SPF is a final step to every skincare routine.
Okay, next to what you can do is match the font to what you want it to be. You're going to come over here to Mamrope is already selected. You can go through and see if there is a font that is there for you. If you have one that you already use, you can do it, but you can add your font to Drive here. I'm going to go for... This is a similar one to what we currently use. Let's go for regular. And then let's go hit play again.
And this isn't a once and done part of your day either. SPF leaves...
All right, if I want to bring it up here on the screen, we get to do that. And let's have a look.
SPF is a final step to every skincare routine. And this isn't a once and done part of your day either. SPF...
Once you're happy with it, you come up here, you hit publish, export, and then grab the version that you want. If you want to be video, if you click publish here, you do have the option to publish straight to some of the listed platforms here. I generally like to do export because I will use it as social media scheduling tool. That's how you can go ahead and clean up your videos. If you want to remove the ums and ahs or improve the studio sound, you can just click the videos here. That will help you. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Talk to you soon.